Hi guys, welcome to Doctor's tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to earn money from Skillshare. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. To earn money from Skillshare, you'll need to create and teach high-quality class on a topic you are knowledgeable about. You can promote it to attract students and earn revenue based on the minutes watched by the premium members. Continuously improve your class and engaging with the community, and consider market demand to maximize your earning potential to the platform. So basically, in order for you to earn from Skillshare, you'll actually need to find out what informations or what type of topic you are knowledgeable about or what topic you have interest in. And since we are all here to learn how to earn money from Skillshare, you don't have to worry. I definitely have some insights that I can share with you. Skillshare is an incredible platform that allows you to showcase your skills and knowledge to a wide audience. And the best part here is that you can actually make money doing it. So let's dive into some strategies that can help you start earning here on Skillshare. So, first things first, you need to choose a topic that you are passionate and have expertise in. Skillshare offers a variety of categories from art and design to business and technology. Find your niche and think about what you can teach to others. Remember, people are more likely to enroll in your class if you're enthusiastic and knowledgeable about the subject. To begin, what you can do is go to your web browser and search for Skillshare.com, and you can definitely sign in here using your Google account, Facebook, or you can just fill out all your details for free by inputting your email. So once you're logged in, you can click here the Become a Teacher, and then you actually need to submit an application so that you will be able to teach your expertise here on Skillshare. And as you can see, they definitely have information that you can look into for the reason why you should teach here on Skillshare. And here you can see that top earning teachers can make up to $100,000 each year. And Skillshare teachers are real working creatives and experts eager to share their expertise with us, as I mentioned earlier. Since you will need to choose a topic that you are passionate about, and once you've settled on a topic, it's time to create your course. So you need to break down your content into bite-sized lessons, making sure to explain the concepts clearly and provide practical examples to your students. Skillshare values high quality content, so invest some time in creating engaging videos with good audio and visuals. And you need to remember that you want your students to have an enjoyable learning experience while they are taking your class on this platform. Now comes the exciting part, publishing your course. Skillshare is a straightforward process for uploading your content. So you need to make sure to write a compelling course description that highlights the key takeaways and the benefits for students. Add an eye-catching thumbnail to attract potential learners, and remember, first impressions really matter. But wait, how do you actually make money here on Skillshare? Well, the platform operates on a royalty based system. So every time a student enrolls in your course, you earn royalties based on the number of minutes watched by premium members. So the more engaging and valuable your content is, the more likely students to watch it and recommend it to others as well. And after you set your program or your class here on Skillshare, in order for you to boost your earnings, you need to promote, or it's really important to promote your course. Skillshare provides tools to share your courses on social media platforms, so take advantage of those features. Leverage your existing network and encourage friends, families, and colleagues to enroll. You can also engage with the Skillshare community by participating in discussions and answering questions. Building a positive reputation will definitely attract more students to your course. Now, let's talk about the importance of engagement. You actually need to interact with your students by responding to their comments and or providing feedback. Engaged students are more likely to complete your course and recommend it to others. Plus, Skillshare rewards instructors who actively participate in the community with increased visibility and promotional opportunities. Lastly, don't forget to optimize your course for search. Skillshare has a search feature, so make sure that you use relevant keywords in your course title, description, and your tags. This will help potential students to find your course when they are searching for a specific topic. And remember, earning money on Skillshare takes time and effort, so consistency is the key. Keep creating valuable content, engaging with your students, and promoting your course. So, as you build your reputation and gain more enrollments, your royalties will start adding up as well. And there you have it. Let your genuine enthusiasm guide your interactions, fostering a supportive and inclusive environment for your students to thrive in. And never forget the power of persistence. Stay committed to refining and expanding your knowledge, honing your teaching skills, and consistently delivering high quality content. Believe in your abilities because you are capable of achieving remarkable success in the Skillshare earning game. So, trust in your ability to make a meaningful impact on the lives of your students while reaping the rewards of your dedication and hard work. And remember, your journey to financial success on Skillshare starts now, and embrace the joy of sharing knowledge, the thrill of seeing your students thrive, and the satisfaction of earning money doing what you love. So go ahead and start creating and planning your courses here on Skillshare. Now that we have shared to you the topics and how you will be able to earn money from this platform, you can start earning your money yourself as well. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.